Puppies and kittens, they were so mad, barking and hissing, oh how they were sad. The puppies would growl and the kittens would scratch. They just couldn't find a way to match. Puppies and kittens fighting every day, growling and hissing, they'd always stray. But then their parents came with a big warm hug, said, let's all be friends, let's give peace a tug. Mommy dog said, listen little pups, respect your friends, don't mess things up. Daddy cat purred, kittens, it's clear, kindness and love, make it all cheer. Puppies and kittens, now they're best friends, playing and laughing, their joy never ends. They learn to be kind and they learn to share, living in harmony, they show they care. So remember, dear children, when you're feeling mad, talk it out kindly, it's not so bad. Sharing and caring is the way to be, just like the puppies and kittens, happy as can be. Puppies and kittens, now they're best friends, playing and laughing, their joy never ends. They learn to be kind and they learn to share, living in harmony, they show they care. Puppies and kittens, all through the day, playing together in their happy way. So let's all remember, it's the best way to be. Kindness and love make us happy and free.